Hello everyone, today we will unbox the Honor 9X Pro, which comes with 256 gigs of internal storage with 6 gigabytes of RAM and Kirin 810, which is based on 7nm, which is very good phone. As you can see, model is HLK-L42. This phone in Iraq costs around $250. It is full screen, 6.59 inch display with I think it's IPS LCD screen. As you can see, I've installed some apps on it to test it. It is good phone, very good phone for playing, for gaming. The camera is 48 megapixel, very good. The front camera is popping up from the body. As you can see, we will get a SIM ejector tool, and you also get a plastic cover with it, and you will also get a 10-watt charger. I think you can fast charge it with another fast charger, but I don't know, but they say it is 10-watt charger. Does we get a headphone jack? Let's see. Yes, we will get a regular headphone jack. So guys, this was a quick unboxing of Honor 9X Pro. As soon as possible I will do a speed test between Honor 9X Pro and other phones as we did last year. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. That will be a huge support for me. Thanks for watching again. Peace out.